Hello everyone and welcome to this video on reinforcement learning in the real world. In this presentation, let us explore how reinforcement learning is used in three major areas. First major area is robotics, second one is finance, and third one is gaming. By the end, you will understand how RL powers some of the most intelligent systems we see today. Before we dive into applications, let us quickly recap how reinforcement learning works. At the center, we have three main components. The agent, this is the learner or decision maker. The environment, everything the agent interacts with. The reward, feedback that tells the agent if it did well or not. The agent takes an action, receives feedback and updates its strategy. This loop continues again and again. Some key ideas: Q learning helps estimate the value of actions. Policy gradients directly improves decision strategies. Exploration means trying new things. Gamma controls how much future rewards matter. Let us start with robotics. The core idea is simple. Reinforcement learning helps machine learn through trial and error, just like humans. They can train through thousands of episodes, extremely fast reaction times, and continuous learning without stop. Think about how we learn to walk or pick things up. We try, fail, adjust, and improve. Robots do the same. Let us break it down. State: this is the robot current situation. For example, arm position or sensor readings. Action: this is what robot does, like moving an arm or gripping an object. Reward: it is the feedback. If the robot succeeds, it gets a positive reward. If it fails, it gets a negative one. This simple loop helps the robot learn better actions over time. Here we see a basic example using the cardboard environment. Don't worry about every line of code, focus on the idea. The environment is created using a simulator. A Q table stores how good each action is. The agent sometimes explores randomly, other times it chooses the best known action. The key part is Q update rule, which balances immediate reward and future rewards. This is how learning happens. Let us move to finance. Here, RL helps systems make decisions under uncertainty. These systems manage billions of dollars, execute trades in microseconds, explore countless market situations. The goal is not just short-term profit but long-term gains. In finance, we frame trading as an RL problem. State: it is market data like prices and indicators. Action: it is buy, sell or hold. Reward: it is profit or loss. Policy: it is strategy used to decide actions. The goal is simple: maximize total profit over time. This is a simplified trading agent. It looks at price data, chooses action based on learned values, gets reward based on price changes. If it buys and price increases, it's a reward. Otherwise, it is no reward. It repeats this process many times to improve. Gaming is where RL become famous. Here are some major milestones. RL mastered Atari games, beat world champions in Go, won complex games like Dota 2, completed in StarCraft 2. These games require strategy, planning, and quick decisions. This is how AI games evolved over time. RL made history when AI defeated world champions in complex games. The agent learns strategies by planning millions of games with states, actions, and rewards. This example shows a flexible Q-learning agent. It stores values in a dictionary, works with any state and action, updates values using feature rewards. The agent learns by choosing actions like left, right, jump, and improves over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and start building your own reinforcement learning projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.